So, what is a Chief Information Security Officer or CISO, and how do they keep companies in business? A CISO is a C-suite executive that guides a business information security program to plan, develop, and implement security policies and procedures. Based on the amount of responsibility and top-level salaries, CISOs mostly work for large organizations with many small and medium-sized businesses looking to virtual CISOs. This is a critical role for financial institutions, government agencies, healthcare organizations, and any business that handles a great deal of sensitive information. The CISO also sets the bar for risk management, compliance, and incident response planning. Expert communication skills are needed to liaison with the CEO, CIO, CFO, and technical team leaders to identify, assess, and manage business information technology assets. A cybersecurity strategy aligned with organizational goals helps maintain regulatory compliance. The CISO's knowledge of industry security best practices influences the content of user training programs. Third-party risk management of vendors and supply chain partners ensures company security standards are met and establishes professional relationships with legal authorities. The CISO will leave their stamp by developing business security infrastructure with managers and architects. This is not a hands-on engineering role, but a high-level oversight of enterprise departments and business units. Designing an incident response plan and disaster recovery plan ensures all key stakeholders are prepared to maintain operations. Keeping all these elements aligned will require excellent communication, delegation, and problem-solving skills. Strategic and holistic cybersecurity leadership highlights potential risk and opportunities for business growth within risk appetite. Elite CISOs will promote security solutions that drive new business without adding new risk. Ensuring data flows safely, internally, and externally to the organization is key to delivering the expected value. A new Chief Information Security Officer should be someone proven trustworthy to control corporate data security and direct the company's long-term strategy. The cyber leader should have a broad understanding of different platforms, solutions, and related threats to communicate effectively with the technology staff. While not required 100% of the time, the majority of CISOs have a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, business administration, or a related discipline. Most companies will also expect a Master of Science, MBA, or a PhD. Building an exceptional cybersecurity team calls for a background in managing, supporting, and communicating with intelligent IT professionals. Possessing a designation such as the EC Council Certified Chief Information Security Officer qualification can help make the leap from security management to executive leadership. Strategic vision is required to lead business into the future. Working on a variety of projects will increase your knowledge base and open an opportunity to improve communication, delegation, budgeting, reporting, negotiation, and leadership skills. Here are some of the expectations of a Chief Information Security Officer on-site position currently available. Develop and maintain the organization's digital risk appetite framework, and related processes. Achieve the organization's short-term and long-term technology and cybersecurity strategic goals. Champion a comprehensive information security program to ensure the privacy, security, confidentiality, integrity, and availability of business data. Deliver consistent security posture status reporting to executives and the board of directors. Confidently manage security controls, key risk indicators, and key performance indicators. The CISO should be aware of regulations GDPR, PCI DSS, and industry standard ISO 27000. Create a compliance and audit program to verify the business is meeting applicable cybersecurity laws, standards, frameworks, and regulations. Implement governance, risk, and compliance controls to protect business information systems and proprietary data. Perform cyber risk assessments to identify and prioritize issues based on potential impact and likelihood. Analyzing company IT infrastructure systems and processes to identify vulnerabilities before they are compromised. Develop and implement risk mitigation strategies and controls to reduce the likelihood and impact of cyber threats. Being a CISO really tests your ability to communicate at a technical level with system administrators and network engineers, and then turn around and discuss the same information at a much higher level that executives are looking for, and also even lay terms for those in management or other departments within the business that need to get on board and buy in for the cybersecurity program. The CISO must identify, communicate, and manage security threats with relevant business unit leadership. Manage security incidents that impact corporate assets, regulated data, intellectual property, business reputation, or clients. Coordinate with internal and external stakeholders to remediate security breaches within the incident response plan. Validate cybersecurity infrastructure and architectures for security best practices and recommend ways to improve. Provide regular security awareness training on relevant risk in the cyber landscape. Review monthly penetration tests and present remediation recommendations to executive leadership. The CISO should be involved in managing and coordinating audit with internal stakeholders and external third parties. Update senior management on the organization's cyber risk posture, remediation status, and compliance alignment. Conduct incident response exercises to test business preparedness, procedures, and coordination among key stakeholders. Strong relationship builder with excellent written and oral communication skills amongst diverse teams. Bring enthusiasm, a collaborative work style, an inquisitive attitude, flexibility, creativity, a focus on excellence, a great to work with demeanor, and be a self-starter. A remote CISO opportunity has one company on the hunt for a unique cyber captain. This individual is charged to spearhead security operations with real-time analysis of immediate risk, stay abreast of developing threats, and help the board understand cybersecurity problems that may arise from mergers and acquisitions. Direct secure planning, purchasing, and implementation of security hardware and software with security best practices. Orchestrate identity and access management so only authorized users may access restricted data and systems. Once business core competencies are understood, the CISO should introduce programs and projects that mitigate risk and automate system updates. Lead cyber investigations and forensics to determine cause, damage, and recovery from a breach. Ultimately responsible for all cybersecurity initiatives, corporate leadership buy-in, securing funding, successful solution installation, configuration, and maintenance, and preferred to have an ISC squared, CISSP, or SANS GIAC certification. For those that prefer the schedule versatility of the hybrid CISO, here are the desired capabilities. Be expected to lead, build, and sustain a cybersecurity program to ensure legislative, technology, and business services operate as intended. Ensure the business has the capability to detect, identify, and respond to cyber threats. Implement a cross-functional governance framework that encourages business stakeholders to collaborate on cybersecurity solutions. Provide strategic guidance to agency business leaders regarding cybersecurity problems. Develop and manage a cybersecurity roadmap for the future direction of the business essential technology resources. The Chief Information Security Officer should facilitate metrics and reporting to communicate the effectiveness and efficiency of the cybersecurity program. Design effective cybersecurity solutions that balance staff capability, business requirements, and the technology solutions in place. Empower business units to own and accept the documented risk appetite when considering new business ventures. Manage cybersecurity engineers, conduct knowledge sharing, and boost continued professional growth. And it's great to have 10 or more years of experience in information technology with 5+ years of direct management experience in a cybersecurity field are needed to excel in this position. CISOs add phenomenal value to business and keep revenue flowing in without legal fines or financial loss from a data breach. A bachelor's degree and an industry standard certification such as the ISACA CISM or ISC squared CISSP would position a resume near the top of the list. Collaborative spirit with strong leadership skills and experience supporting healthy teams are necessary. Be self-aware, adept at asking the right questions and listening to understand. Act as a savvy presenter of complex technical information to a variety of audiences.